The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed higher on Thursday as major Wall Street banks pledged billions to rescue First Republic Bank. The S&P 500 was up 1.8%, and the Nasdaq Composite added 2.5%. First Republic Bank stock jumped 10% after a group of major Wall Street banks pledged to pump billions in deposits into the beleaguered bank. Bank of America, Citigroup, J.P. Morgan Chase, and Wells Fargo said they would inject $5 billion each in uninsured deposit into First Republic Bank. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley each made an uninsured deposit of $2.5 billion, and other banks made an uninsured deposit of $1 billion, for a total deposit of $30 billion. Sentiment on bank stocks was further improved after Credit Suisse borrowed up to $54 billion from the Swiss National Bank to shore up liquidity. The relative calm in the banking sector after days of turmoil restored investor bets on the Federal Reserve pursuing further rate hikes next week. Tech stocks took a surge in Treasury yields in stride, with Google parent Alphabet rising more than 4% after the tech giant said it would hike the price of YouTube TV. Adobe Systems rallied more than 5% after lifting its annual guidance on performance following better-than-expected first-quarter results. In earnings news, UiPath Inc. reported fourth-quarter results that beat Wall Street expectations on both the top and bottom lines, and the automation software company lifted its 2024 guidance. With major Wall Street banks pledging billions to rescue First Republic Bank, bringing calm to markets, the odds of the Fed lifting rates by 0.25% on March 22 jumped to 80%. Don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.